Welcome to Getting Housed with Paul, maybe Brent. Today we're talking about closet organization. Unlike closeted Peter Pan, hooks are your best friend. I recommend placing a large hook on the exterior of your closet door for your rejected clothes. Basically, when you're trying things on, throwing them on your bed, instead put them on one large hook so they stay clean and wrinkle-free. There are several ways to organize your accessories. You can put little hooks on the interior of your door for necklaces and hats, but for smaller accessories, like my ring or bangles, you can put them in a drawer in a saucer or a little cup. If you have open shelving in your closet, metal bookends actually make great dividers. However, I don't recommend more than stacks of 5 items. A tension rod for shoes might be the best thing since sliced bread. If you put a single tension rod in the back of your closet, stack your shoes, it keeps them out of a heap. If you do have heels, you might need 2 of them. I see you, Mamp girls. Pro tip: remove your mismatched hangers to create uniformity and then reduce clutter. Organize your closet and then come out of it. This is Getting Housed with Paul. Cheers.